Vivi Curates, and today we're going to be making a ice cream cat. Okay, so first I have to draw the little cone. Like this. Okay, now we're gonna have to do the lines in the middle. Like this. Two in the middle and the rest are gonna be. Okay, for the rest we're gonna do okay, now we're gonna do the waves. Connect one to the outside. Okay. Now we're gonna connect it to the lines like this. Okay, now we're gonna have to put the little eyes. Okay, now we're gonna color the eyes like this. Now we're gonna put the smile like this. Okay, now we're gonna connect that and do it to the other side. Okay, now we're gonna do the syrup on the one. Now we're gonna like sprinkle some whiskers. Now it's okay. You mess up, it doesn't have to be the same. Now we're gonna make a little graham cracker. On both sides. Now we're gonna do the little dot sprinkles inside here. And we're gonna do 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. Okay. This is what it should look like right now. Okay, now we're gonna put the stripes on the feet down here. Okay, now we're gonna make the cat's little like sprinkle paws. So let's use the sprinkles. Okay, now we're going to do it to the upper hand. Like this. Okay, now we're going to do the cat's strawberry tail. So we're going to use, so first we're going to do the little fun little strawberry to make. like this. And then we're gonna repeat it 10 times. And this will be its cat little strawberry tail. This is how you make the Vienna crate. If you want to see more videos, then like and subscribe.